In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to ClickUp and use it effectively. First, sign into your ClickUp account. In the upper left corner, click your workspace name to open Workspace Settings. This is the central place where all your integrations live, so you'll come back here anytime you want to adjust connections later. Next, head to the App Center inside Workspace Settings. You might see it labeled as Apps or App Center, depending on your view. In the search bar at the top right, type Google Drive and select it from the results. If Google Drive doesn't appear, it's usually because the integration requires a paid ClickUp plan, so double check your subscription before going further. On the Google Drive integration page, you'll choose how you want to connect. A personal connection lets you search your own public and private files and attach them to tasks. Other people can't search your personal drive, but they'll still be able to view any file you attach if they already have permission in Google Drive. A workspace connection allows everyone in your workspace to search public or shared files from a connected Google account. If you're testing, start with a personal connection. You can always add a workspace connection later. Click Connect for the option you want. A Google sign-in window will open. Pick the Google account you want to use, click Continue, and then allow to grant ClickUp access to your drive. If you also want a workspace connection, repeat the process by clicking Connect under the workspace option and authorizing the same or a different Google account. Once connected, open any task or comment in ClickUp. Use the Google Drive or attachment icon to search your drive and attach Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or even folders. Remember, attachments in ClickUp reflect drive permissions. For shared files, make sure the file is shared in Google Drive with the right people or set to public before attaching. For private files, keep them restricted to specific users. Only those with access in Drive will be able to view them through ClickUp. To control visibility in ClickUp itself, consider making sensitive tasks private if they're just for you. Avoid attaching private files to public tasks unless you intend to share them in Drive first. If you want your team to be able to search Drive content directly in ClickUp, use a workspace connection tied to a shared or business Drive account. If you ever need to disconnect, switch accounts, or reset permissions, return to Workspace Settings, open Apps, select Google Drive, and use Disconnect or Manage Permissions, then follow the prompts. That's it. Now you can search, attach, and share Google Drive files directly from ClickUp for yourself or across your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.